So I've got this build all done. Helio RC spring flight controller, T-motor F35A 35 amp BL Heli 32 ESCs, and T-motor F60 Pro 2 motors. All brand new, everything in here is brand new. The problem that I'm having is this ESC here is running extremely hot, and in some cases thermal overloading. So I'm going to test that. I'm going to test that using a thermal camera that I've got here that plugs into your phone. It's reputable FLIR, FLIR, and it'll come up with temperature markings and how they compare to the other ESCs. So I'll run that test through BL Heli 32 suite, just so I can have all motors spinning at the same speed, doing exactly what they should do compared to each other, and it should be nice and controlled. Okay, so I'm connected now to BL Heli 32 in the suite, and I've got my battery plugged in and the USB. You can see the VTEX and the FCs heating up, so I'm going to go ahead and start the motors now. And I'm just going to start them off at 1200. There's 1200 there. So we can see them heating up. See if I can't get this cable out of the way. This is the one I'm interested in just here, and you can already see it's starting to heat up more than the others. I'll push that up a bit to 1500. So again, you can tell it's quite evident that that one's hotter than the rest. I'll go again, 1800. That's 1800. And one step more all the way up. I'll bring it down. And that is off. So we can see at even as it cools down, you can clearly tell that this ESC here is a lot hotter than the rest. In other motors it has resulted in a hotter motor, but on these ones they're hot to touch but not too hot, but that is untouchable. I've got the thermal settings to 140 degrees on the cutoff. It won't cut off on BL Heli 32, but it will cut off in the field, and I just don't want to test it with everything on there because it's a brand new build and I don't want to go throwing money away because of a test. The batteries are 4S 75C, and I'll mark up the temperatures in a photo and put them on the screen here. So this is just the ESC here, nice and close so you can see it. The connections are really good. I've reflowed them and tried them on a few different motors. Both the signal and the earth connected, and no matter what configuration I try it in, it still overheats on me. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it at all, but it gets really hot, and I don't want that thing falling out of the sky on me.